What we should be talking about right now is how to arrest the economic quagmire that everyone have seen in Nigeria. It is not Simon Ekpa. It is just a distraction for Nigerian government to start looking for who is not even looking for them. I must tell you the truth. Whether you look for Simon Ekpa in Finland or you look for him in another country, you are not going to make it well if you don't go into the things that will make Nigeria a modern state. Simon Ekpa is not the problem of Nigeria. If I will ask, is Simon Ekpa the cause of insecurity in the Northeast? Is it Simon Ekpa? Okay, if you say yes, Simon Ekpa is the one fueling the one in the Southeast, which is alleged, which it is true, it's not him. He is just asking for independence, for the betterment of his people, because of the same economic quagmire that is in Nigeria. Let me ask you, now you see industrialization is going on in different countries and you are living it. I heard from the news that the chief of defense staff is making inquiries and arrangement on how to deal with or bring Simon Ekpa back home. That is not what we are supposed to be talking about now. As if you want Nigeria to be well again, alive and well, because Nigeria is on the verge. Everybody know what I'm talking about. Economy is gone. Now we should be talking about industrialization, diversity of economy, a balanced mix of industry, such as manufacturing, services, and agriculture, to reduce independence on a single sector. That is what we are supposed to be talking about now. Not even Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu is in the detention. Yes. He should be released because one, fighting for the good of his people is paramount. Now, let us go. We need innovation. It is not going to pay Finland. We need innovation. Encouraging research, development, and the innovations to drive technological advancement and entrepreneurship. Help our people to grow. Not going to pay money into another country's coffer, money we don't see here. You go and pay money in their coffers. The other time, I think in 2021, when Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, it was alleged that the government of Kenya, who is Uhuru Kenyatta then, the government of Nigeria, who is Muhammadu Buhari, that time, he paid $100 billion in order to help them repatriate Nnamdi Kanu, because Nnamdi Kanu traveled from where he lived to Kenya. It's an alleged, and who said it is one of the opposition party called Raila Odinga. It is written all over. Now, we should not be talking about these ones. You see, if Nigeria is fine, nobody will agitate. Nobody will agitate. We need to go to education and skill workforce. Education, our education is zero. We should not be talking about Ekpa, Simon. If you go and get them, another person will spring up. If the economy is not good, okay, a well-educated and skilled population to support economic growth and competitiveness. That is what we are supposed to be fighting for. If you go to India, you go to China, you come to America, they have innovations, robotics, international things that the others don't have. That is what they are developing. And our system in Nigeria is developing how to go and catch Ekpa. Ekpa is not even your problem. Okay, we should be going to infrastructural development. Many a times we talk about road. We are supposed to be ahead of road, ahead of hospital, ahead of education. And we should be ahead. Now, infrastructural development, robust transportation network, energy system, and the communication infrastructure to facilitate trade and commerce. no good road in Nigeria, you are talking about Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is not the problem of Nigeria. Everybody is crying everywhere. It's not the problem of Nigeria. I should tell you that vehemently. I won't lie to you. It is better we leave that one alone and concentrate on what is good. Let's go. We have fiscal discipline, prudent management of public finance, low debt to GDP ratio, and a suitable tax system. Are you getting it? Proper management of finance. See how our finance is going down. That the National Assembly is buying a car, SUV, $150 million. That is mismanagement of Nigerian fund. We should not be talking about that one now. We should even talk about the way we manage and destroy our funds. It is only in Nigeria we see that an animal swallowed money, python. They say monkey swallowed money. This is a story we see here. Is it Simon Ekpa that is the problem? Let us face the fact and leave this distraction alone. Let us go to political stability. There is instability in our polity. A stable and predictable political environment with a clear and effective legal framework. Let us go and analyze our polity. Let our politicians not continue to destroy our funds, creating many things that are not supposed to be done. It is not the Biafra that is the problem. It is not the Oduduwa that is the problem. It is not the Arewa that is the problem. The problem is in us. All of us are contributors of it, but we need to make a change right now. Human capacity and the capability. A large, healthy, and productive workforce with a high level of human development. There is no human development everywhere. People are rampaging, no job. Graduates will finish their school and they will not have any job. And you are talking about arresting Simon Ekpa from Finland. You are working with Finnish government. Do you hear it finish? They will soon finish you. That is it. So we need a workforce in Nigeria. Our boys, our brothers don't have a job. We don't have jobs. We need natural resources, abundant natural resources managed sustainably to support economic growth. Our oil is being transported outside Nigeria and being refined and bring back to us, giving us a huge amount of money that we pay. While we are supposed to build industry, oil refineries, industries that will be giving us income. See how our GDP is falling down. The dollar is against the naira with thousands of naira. We are talking about Ekpa. Ekpa is not the problem. Now we go to a competitive business environment, encouraging entrepreneurship with a streamlined regulatory framework and a culture of innovation. Entrepreneurship, what I talked about. If you call the youth together and support them in their different jobs, they will see what to do, and Nigeria will continue growing. See China, children are bringing toys that we are buying thousands of naira. High savings rate, a high savings rate to support investment and economic growth. When you are saving, you can ever support the economy. Strong institutions, independent and effective institutions such as a central bank to maintain economy and stability. Have our banks, they will have our money. Not carrying our money outside, going to Indian bank, going to what is it, Swiss bank to go and pack it. They are going to UK, buying properties with our money, which are supposed to be in our own bank. We have to develop tourism services, a strong tourism industry and the service sectors to diversify the economy and generate foreign exchange. Everybody is going to Dubai to see Burj Khalifa. If it is built in Nigeria, people will be coming to see it in Nigeria. But we are talking about going to stop Biafra, going to stop Oduduwa. It can never help us. It cannot help us. Agricultural productivity, a productive and efficient agricultural sector to ensure food security and support economic growth. Hunger is killing everybody. Government should make a law to arrest the food insufficiency in Nigeria, not to go and arrest somebody who is in Finland, only talking, you are looking for him. This is not what we are supposed to do now. What we are supposed to come back now to is to see how our economy will strive. If our economy will strive, those that are in the Finland talking will come back home. They will come back to join us here. When dollar is 1 naira equals to $1, everybody will come home, because our lawyers, our doctors will never leave the shores of Nigeria to go to there, because what they will do is also here. They make the same money. When these things that I have mentioned here are okay, we will live comfortably, not traveling like the Dubai people. Environmental sustainability, a focused and a sustainable development to ensure long-term economic growth and environmental protection. We should protect our environment from pollution. That is what we should be talking about. Environment from pollution. We should protect our environment from dilapidation. We should have a very good sanity in our environment. That is why they say America is fine. You won't be going on the road and see where refuge are dumped, where takataka is dumped, where dirty is dumped. We should be thinking of that right now in the 21st century. You are looking at when you are going to spend money. Even spending money to travel to Finland to look for Simon Ekpa is a loss to Nigeria. That money can save somebody, 2 people or 3 or even that money, as government normally spend it, it will save more than 100 people to start a good business here. Infrastructural development. We are not supposed to be talking about Simon Ekpa. It's a distraction to Nigeria. It's a distraction to Nigeria. If you like, hold Simon Ekpa, hold the indigenous people of Biafran president, Abi chairman. If you like, hold him in DSS custody, kill 2 of them, they will still be lamenting on what another person will come out. Another one will come out. If you like, do it. Another person will come out. So, but if we sustainably go into all these things I have mentioned, those that are agitating will stop agitating. Check, Dubai is paying their people every month. Qatar, they are paying. Other countries are paying. If you start we have money more than them. Nigeria has money more than them. If you start doing it, you will see that all these agitations will stop. I'm not looking for Simon Ekpa. Everybody is agitating. Go to social media. Everybody is agitating. Who will you kill and leave each other? Even your own brothers are agitating. Your brothers, the chief of defense staff, go to your village, they are agitating. Go, president, come to your place, they are agitating. Who is free from agitation? You should catch everybody then. That is it. I am a prophet, I will tell you the truth. May God bless you. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin. We continue speaking until things are done right. And God never leaves us behind. He put mouth, words in our mouth. With this, I have written down for Nigeria today. If you start it, I'm telling you, in the next 5 years, Nigeria will become London. People will be coming to, not Simon Ekpa. God bless you.